In 2026, the robotics industry made a collective decision. Humanoid robots needed to be cheap. Companies rushed to build general-purpose machines designed to be mass-produced commodities, driving prices into the ground. This chart illustrates that plunging price floor. Tesla's Optimus is dropping its target to $20,000 per unit, while the research-focused Unitree G1 has hit the market at just $16,000. Then, the undisputed pioneer of the field made a hard pivot in the exact opposite direction. Boston Dynamics rolled out their 2026 production-ready all-electric Atlas. It carries an estimated price tag of $420,000. For the cost of a single Atlas, a buyer could purchase a fleet of 26 Unitree robots. While the rest of the industry strips down their hardware to win a volume war, Boston Dynamics chose to build an ultra-exclusive hypercar. But even if you have $500,000 to spend, you cannot buy one. As announced on the CES convention floor, the entire 2026 production run is locked down, allocated exclusively to strategic partners like Hyundai and Google DeepMind. In the tech world, survival usually dictates scaling up production to lower costs and capture market share. Boston Dynamics is actively ignoring that playbook. They are deliberately engineering a platform for extreme, high-stakes environments where a cheap, mass-market machine would immediately break down. The viral backflipping Atlas of the past 10 years was powered by hydraulics. To make the robot viable for real-world commercial work, Boston Dynamics had to scrap that system for a massive all-electric redesign. They integrated custom electric actuators supplied by Hyundai Mobis. These new joints made the platform stronger, totally quiet, and safe enough to operate directly on factory floors without leaking fluid. This graph breaks down exactly what that extra strength buys you. While the Unitree G1 maxes out at a 3-kilogram payload and Tesla's Optimus handles 20 kilograms, Atlas can lift 50 kilograms of heavy industrial materials. The robot utilizes 56 degrees of freedom. Crucially, its hips, waist, and neck joints rotate a full 360 degrees. It doesn't have to step and turn to hand parts behind it. It simply spins its torso completely backward, maximizing warehouse efficiency. When it runs low on power, it doesn't need a human to plug it in. The robot navigates to a station and autonomously swaps its battery, enabling uninterrupted 24/7 operation. Atlas commands a premium price because it stops perfectly mimicking human biology, instead breaking the physical limits of the human body to maximize industrial efficiency. Moving out of the laboratory requires software that can bridge the sim-to-real gap. This represents the divide between a predictable digital model and the friction, sudden impacts, and chaos of the actual physical world. When a 196-pound piece of heavy machinery operates inches away from human factory workers, erratic movements are deadly. Guaranteeing zero surprise behavior is a strict contractual requirement for deployment. To solve this, Boston Dynamics integrated foundation models from Google DeepMind. This advanced physical AI allows the robot to instantly process visual data, understand its surroundings, and correct its balance in real time. That $420,000 investment pays for the cognitive architecture required to navigate edge case hazards that engineers could never pre-program. Because of that advanced architecture, Atlas is entirely overqualified for moving light cardboard boxes in a shipping center. Its primary deployment is at Hyundai's Robotics Metaplant Application Center, tasked with heavy automotive assembly and handling massive metal components. Traditional industrial robotic arms are bolted to the floor and programmed for a single, repetitive motion. Atlas offers the mobility required for modern, mixed-model manufacturing lines where the workflow constantly shifts. And when it leaves the factory floor, Atlas is rated to operate in temperatures ranging from -20 to +40 degrees Celsius, environments where human exposure is severely limited. That ruggedness makes it an ideal candidate for high-stakes, high-risk operations like post-disaster search and rescue or navigating the irradiated rubble of nuclear decommissioning sites. Competitors like Tesla and Unitree focus on making humanoids accessible and ubiquitous. Boston Dynamics is focused solely on absolute, uncompromising capability. By refusing to compromise on power, Boston Dynamics has built a platform for the high-stakes edges of human industry. Atlas moves humanoid technology past the goal of replacing cheap labor and into domains where humans simply cannot safely go.